Have you ever wondered how those massive structures, like bridges and skyscrapers, are able to stand tall and sturdy against the forces of nature? The secret lies in the meticulous design process that precedes the actual welding work.
I'm intrigued. Can you elaborate on what you mean by the design process in welding?
Absolutely. The design phase is crucial in any welding project. It involves carefully planning and determining the specifications, materials, and techniques required to ensure the strength, durability, and safety of the final structure.
That makes sense. But how do designers approach this process?
Well, it starts with understanding the project's requirements and constraints. Designers then use various tools and software to create detailed blueprints and 3D models, considering factors like load-bearing capacities, thermal expansion, and corrosion resistance.
I can imagine that designing for welded structures is quite complex. What role do welding experts play in this process?
You're absolutely right. Welding experts are an integral part of the design team. They provide valuable insights into the feasibility of certain designs, recommend appropriate welding processes, and suggest modifications to ensure efficient and cost-effective fabrication.
That's fascinating. But how do you ensure that the final product matches the design specifications?
Excellent question. Throughout the fabrication process, there are rigorous quality control measures in place. This includes regular inspections, non-destructive testing techniques, and adherence to industry standards and codes. Any deviations from the design are promptly addressed to maintain the integrity of the structure.